Boulders Beach. Water Beach. Okay. Alright. Let's get in there. Adults 42 Rand, SLDC 85. Okay, I'll take the SLDC. Cool. Hi there, good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks indeed.
Very much good. Excited to see the penguins. You take a card?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. This is SLDC resident Zambia. Yeah. So it closes at 5 p.m. So that means you have to leave at 5. Or
Yeah, we close at 5.
so if anyone's inside at 5, they have to be
Out.
They have to be out.
So it's 85 Rand.
All right. Here's the credit card. So there's two different sites, right? Like one from here and then from the beach, right?
Yeah, beach use the same ticket.
Same ticket, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Good to know. Alright. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Oh. Alright, so I got a discount because I'm a resident of Zambia. 85 Rand compared to like other international tourists, like 185, which is like 100% more than what we pay rather. So that's a save, that's cool. A little bit windy here, might mess up the sound, but anyway, this is it. Here we are. Super penguins right here. They're like chilling. Alright guys, yeah, I was able to like quickly change my battery. My battery was draining out pretty fast, so I think I have this one full battery for now. Yeah, let me show you guys more of these penguins, and you know, we can go ahead with that. So, brain, pair bonding, ritualized behavior, mating. Definitely amusing. This one right here caught me off guard. They're kind of shiny, a little bit shiny. They have flaps like ducks and other water-like birds. Look at that one opening up its mouth and sneezing. Interesting. Interesting indeed. They do sneeze as well. Wow. The wings seem to be like feathery yet hard. Wow, look at that. Flapping the. Thank you for doing that. One little small bird is next to it, just like wondering what the hell's going on. That is funny. Yeah. I'm just dumbstruck right now looking at all this. White beach. So that's them right there in action, swimming, walking in the water. I guess they do swing in the water and like come back. Like from here? Alright. Thank you. Alright. So we're now at the other side, other area. Keep gate closed. Penguins will bite. Okay. Okay, so this is the way down at the bottom. Keep gate closed because you don't want the penguins to run away in the streets. Oh, actually, yeah, one guy showed me a photo of one of the penguins that was in the street. Ooh, you guys see that one? It just like climbed down. Interesting. So technically you could be close to them, but you're just not, you shouldn't be like touching them or getting close to them or something. That penguin right there was just like running, like, you know. Where is that? Where did that penguin go? Oh, it's right there. He's like just walking. Jumped out of his cage. What's up, my friend? Interesting. This is cool, cool. It's cool. I wonder where he's going. Don't worry, I ain't gonna bite you. It's cool. Very cool, very, very cool indeed. This is like a beach area. Actually, go in the water here. And they hang out. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing that. Basically, yeah, you get to see a closer view of the penguins. Let me see if I can Get a closer view of these guys. Yep, they're just like hanging out there.